Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best trampoline skirt is probably one of the most versatile and stylish accessories you can add to your trampoline, transforming it from a simple play structure into a whimsical wonderland for kids and adults alike. Imagine enhancing your outdoor space with a touch of magic, creating a safer and more visually appealing environment that sparks joy and encourages imaginative play. This innovative addition not only boosts the aesthetic appeal of your trampoline but also provides practical benefits, making it a worthwhile investment for any family looking to elevate their backyard experience and create lasting memories. Number 5. Exacme Trampoline Pad Replacement. Ensure a perfect fit for your trampoline with our replacement pad. It's designed for 15-foot frames with springs up to 7 inches. Please measure your trampoline's outer frame diameter and spring length before purchasing to avoid assumptions. Our trampoline pad is built to withstand the elements. With durable PVC on top and PE on the bottom, it's easy to clean and extends the life of your trampoline against rain and sunlight. Enjoy a safer and more comfortable jumping experience. The 0.6-inch thick foam padding absorbs impact, providing a secure bounce and a cozy resting space. Keep your loved ones safe with our no-gap design. The wide pad overlaps the mat perfectly, ensuring springs remain covered and preventing little feet from getting caught or pinched. This replacement pad is designed without holes for net poles. If your trampoline poles are inside the steel frame, you may need to make a small cut for a custom fit. Crafted with high-quality materials, this pad is both sunlight-resistant and waterproof. It's simple to clean and designed to last through various weather conditions. What we like? This trampoline pad offers excellent protection against the elements with its durable, waterproof, and sunlight-resistant materials. Its thick foam padding ensures a safe and shock-absorbent jumping surface, while the no-hole design prevents springs from being exposed. If you have a trampoline with poles inside the frame and prioritize safety and longevity, this is a great choice. What people say. The trampoline skirt is made of durable, weather-resistant material that holds up well outdoors. It effectively covers the springs and frame, providing a safer jumping surface and a cleaner look. The skirt is easy to install and fits snugly around the trampoline, staying in place even with vigorous use. Number 4. JumpSport 350 Pro 39-inch Fitness Trampoline. Experience versatile and low-impact workouts with this fitness trampoline. Its patented no-tip legs and durable cords are designed for high-intensity sessions, offering a quiet and stable rebounder experience for cardio, sculpting, or balance. Customize your bounce with adjustable tension settings, from firm to extra firm. The integrated cords provide smooth and supportive firmness, ensuring a consistent and quality workout for all experience levels. Our patented no-tip arched legs keep it steady during every workout. Built with sturdy steel tubing and a protective coating, it reliably supports up to 300 pounds for long-lasting performance. Enjoy ample jumping space on the enhanced lay-flat mat. When not in use, it stores upright, offering a compact solution that's a great alternative to bulky fitness equipment. Get the most out of your fitness journey. Access exclusive online content to discover effective cardio, core, and strength workouts designed specifically for this rebounder. What we like? This fitness trampoline is designed for versatile, low-impact workouts with its patented no-tip arched legs and adjustable bounce tension. It provides a quiet and stable jumping experience, perfect for cardio, sculpting, or balance training. If you are looking for a compact indoor rebounder that offers a customizable and safe workout, this is an excellent option. What people say. It fits perfectly on my 14-foot trampoline. The material is durable and has held up well against the elements. It effectively covers the springs and provides a safer jumping surface. Number 3. SkyBound Universal Trampoline Safety Pad. Ensure a safer jumping experience for everyone. This pad is designed to fit a variety of trampoline sizes, offering peace of mind with every bounce. No matter the brand, this safety pad is engineered for a universal fit. It's designed to replace pads for popular brands and accommodate various frame sizes. Say goodbye to exposed springs and frames. Our thick, tapered foam padding completely covers these areas, greatly reducing the risk of jumper injury. Built to last, this pad features a soft, weather-resistant outer fabric. The heavy-duty, tear-resistant bottom layer ensures long-lasting performance, season after season. The UV-resistant outer shell protects against sun damage, while integrated straps keep the pad securely in place during active use. Enjoy worry-free fun. What we like. This universal replacement pad offers a comfortable and long-lasting solution for various trampoline sizes, featuring water-resistant fabric and tapered foam padding. It greatly reduces injury risk by completely covering springs and the frame. If you need a reliable and comfortable pad that fits multiple brands and sizes, this is a solid pick. What people say. The trampoline skirt is made of durable, weather-resistant material that holds up well against sun and rain. It effectively covers the springs and frame, preventing small objects and debris from falling onto the trampoline surface. The skirt is easy to install, attaching securely with strong Velcro straps that don't slip. Number 2. SONGMICS 14-foot trampoline safety pad. Is your old trampoline gathering dust? Revitalize it with this essential safety pad. It's designed to perfectly fit standard 14-foot trampolines, breathing new life into your existing one. Built to withstand the elements, its UV and water-resistant PVC cover shields your trampoline from sun and rain. Quality stitching ensures it resists tears from regular use, promising extended durability. Measuring 11.8 inches wide and 0.6 inches thick, this cover effectively absorbs accidental bounces over the springs. It provides comprehensive edge-to-edge protection for a much safer jumping experience. Engineered for a precise fit, it offers superior protection and is incredibly easy to install. Enjoy worry-free jumping with this securely attached safety pad. You'll receive a high-quality 14-foot trampoline safety pad from SONGMICS. It's a simple solution to let your kids safely enjoy their trampoline again without needing a complete replacement. What we like. This trampoline safety pad provides excellent edge-to-edge protection with its 0.6-inch thick padding, absorbing accidental bounces and covering springs effectively. It's made with UV-resistant and water-resistant PVC for long-lasting durability against various weather conditions. If you're looking to give your existing trampoline a new lease on life with enhanced safety and durability, this is a great option. What people say. This trampoline skirt is made of durable, weather-resistant material that holds up well outdoors. The design is simple and easy to install, requiring no special tools. It effectively covers the springs and frame, enhancing safety and aesthetics. Number 1. SONGMICS 15-foot trampoline safety pad. Is your old trampoline gathering dust? Revitalize it with this essential safety pad. It's designed to perfectly fit standard 15-foot trampolines, breathing new life into your existing one. This replacement safety mat features a UV and water-resistant PVC cover, shielding your trampoline from sun and rain. Quality stitching ensures it resists tears from daily use, promising enduring protection. With a width of 11.8 inches and a thickness of 0.6 inches, this cover absorbs impacts over the springs. It provides comprehensive edge-to-edge protection for a significantly safer jumping experience. Engineered for a perfect fit, it offers superior protection and is quick and easy to install. Enjoy a secure jumping experience with this non-removable safety pad. You'll receive a high-quality 15-foot trampoline safety pad from SONGMICS. It's a simple solution to let your kids enjoy their trampoline again without the need for a complete replacement. What we like. This trampoline safety pad offers seamless, edge-to-edge protection with its 11.8-inch width and 0.6-inch thickness, ensuring a safer jumping experience by covering all springs. Its UV and water-resistant PVC cover guarantees long-lasting durability against the elements. If you prioritize easy installation and comprehensive safety for your 15-foot trampoline, this pad is an ideal choice. What people say. This trampoline skirt is made of durable, weather-resistant material that holds up well against sun and rain. The skirt effectively covers the springs and frame, preventing small toys and debris from falling underneath the trampoline. Installation was straightforward, taking less than 15 minutes to secure the skirt around the entire trampoline. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.